Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2023.
New Year, baby!
Woo!
Yeah. New Year's!
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 56 degrees and a low of 34 degrees. That's cold.
Today's lunch options are hot dogs or hamburgers.
Yum. Today in history, in 1957, Major League baseballer Jackie Robinson retires.
Weird but true. 4,000-year-old noodles were found in ancient ruins in China.
4,000 year old.
Where are you?
So cute I can't. It's like a present from Mother Nature, exclaimed one onlooker. She stood among rows of bird watchers and photographers who flocked to California neighborhood for a rare glimpse of a beautiful snowy owl. These huge white birds rarely make their way to sunny Orange County. In fact, their normal winter migration is to the frozen winter tundra of Minnesota.
They are difficult to spot with their white feathers that camouflage well with snow and gray trees. Arriving last Tuesday, it is the first evidence from that species in Southern California in over 100 years.
Wow, that's a long time. That's crazy. Bet you didn't know, red rain has fallen in parts of Europe and Asia. Wow, that's really strange.
Yeah.
Now here's Ian for the joke of the day.
Woo! Hey guys, how do you count cows?
I don't know how.
With a calculator.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success.
I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Aaliyah.
That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time,
Fly high, Falcons. Boom.